Okay, we're going to have a little fun now and just go through some of the features that you can use on the image editor that will alter an image quickly, easily enough that you can use it and have some fun with it, but also make it more appropriate for the curriculum. You always have to remember that if you use an image, that image has to directly relate to something. It can be directly related to the content. It could be directly related to the navigation. Images for image's sake don't work. They confuse the reader. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at different ways that we can use the image. So I have Mario here, and I'm going to use an edge detection and detect the edges. Now right now I have a very nice filled in drawing, but now I've changed it and now it looks like I hand drew it. And there's a lot of things you can do. You can grayscale it, make the edges less, make them less thick, so it's a very light drawing. You can make it a very heavy drawing. And another thing that we could do is use a bump map, and that's just one quick click, and there you have something different. And you can of course change the light intensity, you can change the smoothness, you can change the elevation. So all of these things can make an image more what you want it to do. You can also get really crazy and just distort the image to get your very own abstract drawing. So kind of fun. Well, let's look at something else. And here we have a family. So I'm teaching a unit on the family, and I want to look at each family member and talk about their roles in the family and how they fit in. So I'm going to use the same logo throughout the entire thing, but I'm going to use a light effect, and I'm going to, when I'm talking about the young lady, I'm going to highlight her. When I'm talking about Dad, I'm going to highlight Dad. And I can tilt the angle, I can make it bigger, I can make it around, I can make the distance further. So lots of fun things you can do with that. You can also pixelate and make your own abstract. And our last one is the Civil War. And let's say we want to make some adjustments on that one. And we're going to use a filter and sharpen it. Sharpen the edges, which gives it a little bit more of a rustic look, kind of makes it our own. The other thing I can do is go to the color temperature. The temperature of a drawing makes a big difference. If you use blue, that's a very cool color and sets a different kind of atmosphere. So here's the blue. I can also change it to a warmer color that gives me a warmer feeling, a brown. So using an image editor is just a whole lot of fun. It's a game. So play around with it, get comfortable with it, and before you know it, you'll be making your own artwork, just like Picasso.